This is our OEM order of condom. This is one display box. The box can be used as one display, like this. Now we take one box to check the package. Here is a silver color printing. This one is six pieces inside one box. Now we open this one. It is very easy to open. Have a look. Inside is six pieces. This is the package. Have a look. This is big size. Repeat condom. We can produce different kinds of condom. Repeat dotted classic flavor color condom. So if you want to find a factory to produce your brand condom, please contact with us.